just got back from Fort William Henry, and a little man fell asleep on the way back. He's got his new truck from Nana, barefoot, taking a nap. That was a really fun little trip though we took out. My parents hadn't been down to Pemaquid Point yet, so we were able to go down and check that out. We skipped the lighthouse for now since Cal fell asleep. We needed to get back to camp and make lunch and all that, but we may or may not check it out, or may go check out something completely different. Who knows? We're here for a few more days and we're just gonna see where the wind blows us. Look at you! Look. Beep beep! Gotta love tinfoil dinners. What do you think, Cal? Do you like tinfoil dinners? Yeah? I think he does. Sarah's just came out of the oven, so to speak.
Anybody want a cider or a beer? I'm good.
Mom wants a cider, she told me.
You want a beer?
You want a beer, Cal?
Yeah.
You want cheers? Cheers. Yeah. How's yours look?
Delicious.
Sweet. So we just stopped in at Hendricks Head Lighthouse. We were driving around Booth Bay Harbor, checking that out. Cal was napping, so we actually drove through the town and headed over to the Southport area, which we then found the lighthouse to stop and check out. We're going to loop down to the southern end of this spit and then work our way back up to Booth Bay Harbor, and we'll stop and check out the town. Sarah and I have been there a couple times before, but my folks and my sister and her husband have not, so we'll stop and see what we can do, you know, what we're comfortable doing with stores and stuff like that to go in. I don't think we'll stay for too long. We'll get Cal back to the campground for some more naps and things like that. And we've got some things planned for the afternoon, but yeah, it's Friday, and I think tomorrow is 4th of July, so we're going to be hanging out at the campground, just kind of relaxing, having a good time, and then Sunday is pack up and head home day. So we're almost there, but we're enjoying our time so far, and it's been a lot of fun taking my family around and exploring some of these areas that Sarah and I have been to a few times already. And it's definitely fun having Rupert for that and exploring with him. It's definitely been a joy to drive him around. But it's definitely helped us figure out what we need to do with Rupert as well. He's definitely not ready for extended camping with just him. There's a lot of things we need to address, especially with how watertight the camper is. There's some leaks around the windshield, which is causing water to pool in the inside of the cab actually. So there's a bunch of little things that we'll need to address, but other than that, it's been a lot of fun driving him around. So just little things here and there that we'll continue to work on and we'll add to our list.
A good one. Ooh. Can you hold it? Yeah.
Date night.
Date night. Yeah. Love you.
I love you too.
They're trying to get out of the line. That's what they're doing. They're putting That's crazy.
These are horseshoe crabs. We saw a couple more go by
Swept in.
before we saw this one.
That's super weird.
That's really weird.